And today on Have a Knife Day, it is December 23rd. We are danger close on this Boker Plus Advent Calendar on the 24 days of Knifemas. We're building this knife. So let's go ahead and check out what the 23rd has to offer. This is a little heavier than the other ones, I can tell you that much for sure. What do we got here? Well, we have a knife sharpener. We have the coarse carbide fine ceramic. There you go, because you know when you have a knife, you got to have something to sharpen it with. There you go. All right. Well, thank you so much. Tomorrow is the big day. So let's get this over here. To see what has come before. And we got the challenge coin PVC patch, neck gaiter with that exploded parts diagram signed by somebody important in the Boker administration. A way to maintain our edge, 3 different styles of knife scale, a blade, some beautiful anodized stuff. I just realized what this is. That is thumb studs. That's right, anodized thumb studs. Now, which one would you choose? I think I know what I'm going to be going with. Anodized blue pocket clip, regular standard pocket clip. And there you go. Thank you so much for spending time here with me today. Tomorrow is the big day. I'm going to be looking to put this together tomorrow. And, well, there you go. Thank you so much. And just think, in one more day, we're going to have a knife day.